That is a great question. So, one specific one that I think negatively impacts student morale is the specific policy around minor disruptive behavior. So, I'm going to read a little bit of it. And mostly what it says is minor disruptions may include, for example, running in the halls, making excessive noise, leaving a classroom or mandatory school event without permission, or being in unauthorized areas of the school. Any disruptive behavior that threatens the safety of students, staff, or others in the school environment may be considered serious disruptive behavior and subject to a more serious consequence under the rule. Now, the problem with this rule, and specifically the consequence of this, says that if you do any minor disruptive behavior, we can have in-school suspension. And if we believe that it's a serious disruptive behavior, you can have out-of-school suspension. Now, the problem with this rule specifically is one, it does not give any language around is the kid having a hard day? Are they hungry, tired, stressed, frustrated? Is there a cultural misunderstanding? Did they understand that the thing that was happening because the bell rang was supposed to mean that we leave the classroom? And there doesn't give enough language around what could be the problem or what other factors could be existing. Now, the way that I would address this is I would one put in the policy of what that teachers or public school workers have to name what restorative or what de-escalation practices they were using before they gave a consequence. I think that's first and foremost. Number two, making these very transparent of instead of it being subjective, meaning instead of a teacher being able to decide on the day, maybe they're having a hard day or they don't have a relationship with that student, that behavior is a disruptive behavior. Instead of it being that, we can instead make sure that teachers have to write down and have clear guidelines of what is under this and making sure that unmet needs are being addressed first. Thank you.